What's up with the DC Nation? It's your boy DC, and I'm back with another video. Now, as y'all seen by the title, we about to prank my granddad. Long time ago, I did this prank on him, but it was by myself, and I'm his grandson. I did the sneeze prank on him. So, of course, I'm his grandson. He probably won't trip out that much. He didn't. He was being positive about it. He didn't want to go out on me, you know what I'm saying? But this time, it ain't gonna be me. It's gonna be Chris. My boy Chris gonna be in the backseat. This is all just for entertainment, just jokes. Don't take it seriously. Got this spray right here. This is water inside of it.
Yeah.
And then my boy, as he sneezes, he gonna spray.
Yeah.
I'll be right back, yeah? I'll be on back.
Okay, go ahead. Well, he jumped.
Yeah, I ain't got time to stand up and talk that thing. I put you out my house before I left just now.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Alright, this
Man, you was a snaky, you'd have bit me, wouldn't you?
Yep.
Nah, he drunk. He just got jealousy, nasty, stinky. Yeah.
Well,
I don't leave no nigga in my house.
I feel you on
Nobody.
it. Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Hamilton. Okay then, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm with my grandson now.
Hey, how you doing? Alright, it's good to hear yours too. Alright.
Okay.
She just be
The hoe talk, you will keep on talking.
I know.
If you don't cut out just like you just did. I know my sister. And that's your auntie too.
Oh shit.
Oh, what happened?
I forgot. Damn. Hey,
You forgot what, man?
the doc said he got COVID, but I don't know if he really got it.
Who?
You know, him back there. Cause you know how they be saying, you know how they say my mom she had
come
COVID.
on, bro.
You know how they say she
How
had
you gonna
COVID.
have a person around you
Nah, I'm about to drop
and
him
you ain't
off.
masked and then I ain't masked.
I'm about to drop him off.
And I ain't masked up either. I didn't know you had company. Why you be fooling your granddaddy like this? You always got a trick on me somewhere up your sleeve.
I know about it tricking you.
Well, I'm talking about that COVID stuff. I ain't playing. So why would you
I don't know if he have COVID. That's what I'm saying. He
So
said.
why would you have a
doctor.
person you know have it around you?
I don't know if he
It's
have.
alright to be around that person.
I don't know if he have it. That's what I'm telling you. But I'm just being cautious.
Have you been tested, sir?
Yeah.
Huh? Have you?
Time ago.
How a long time?
He ain't got COVID, man. I don't know what I'm tripping for. He ain't got COVID. He ain't got COVID.
Well,
he ain't got
man,
COVID.
man, don't be scaring me up in
He
here.
ain't got no COVID, man.
And I ain't masked up, equipped.
I ain't gonna lie.
I know, but you my grandson.
No, I was about to prank you. See, you just ruined the whole move. I was about to prank you.
What?
I had a spider. I was about to prank you.
A spider for what?
You. I was about to prank you.
I don't eat spiders. You ain't hit me.
I know.
Well, well, you should have got me.
You ruined the move.
How I move, my move,
You just ruined the move.
I know. Mine.
You ruined the move. Cause you was like, oh, you always tricking somebody.
No, because you be scaring me. Every time I get in here, I don't know what you up to. And that boy back there sneezing shit, I don't like that shit, man.
Huh?
I don't like that shit. He sneezing, bro.
That man
I
ain't
know
got
you
no
say you got a
COVID.
cold, brother. I don't like that around me now.
He don't
I
have
don't
no
mean no
COVID.
harm now.
He don't have no COVID.
I don't want to know the stuff all around me that drum, brother. Every time he sneezes, something coming out on me, bro.
He ain't sneezing on. How you gonna sneeze on you? He got a mask on. Man, that sneeze on you
Yes,
like
it
that.
did, too.
Why would he do that?
I'm going to cover my face up, then.
You tripping, dude.
No,
That man just sneezed on you, man.
I'm trying to see. He said he had a cold, didn't he?
I don't know what he has.
Well, you don't take no medicine for it?
I took medicine.
And you don't know whether it is a cold or not. They have the doctor test you. The doctor.
I got an appointment coming soon.
Oh, okay. Well, it's good to have that tested, bro, okay? Due to what's going on right here now, man. That's what we'll talk about.
There you go.
You need to check it, bro. Let's ever talk. See all that stuff? Now, have you been tested?
Yeah.
I ain't talking about the shot. Don't take that shit. You don't take that
No,
shot.
I have.
Oh, man. Hey, bro. Hey, man. D.
Huh?
Yeah, that dude got something bad. All that sneezing,
he
brother.
good.
I'm for real, man.
He good, granddad. Chill. He not sneezing on you.
Well, you ain't took nothing for it, brother?
I've been taking stuff for it. It ain't working.
You was tripping. Chris, I know Chris. He not gonna sneeze on you. He know better than
No,
that.
I ain't talking about on me, but he's sneezing a lot. And then I did feel something too, bro. Yes, I did too, behind my neck.
How you feel something I didn't?
Because you got a hood on your neck.
Nah,
And I don't.
That ain't the reason. Not the
No,
reason at all.
no, I'm talking to the dude for real, man. The dude need to get himself checked out for real.
You tripping?
No, I'm not. Sneezing like a cold, but you don't know what that is.
Hello?
I'm saying you know to be around. You don't mean no harm, young man. No.
Okay.
But all that sneezing, brother, you need to get yourself checked out at the doctor, brother.
Kennedy got it too.
Or your mama needs to take you, bro.
Alright.
You need to have yourself treated.
Granddad, chill.
And how much chills? Did you see that shit? I mean, man, come on, man.
He's not sneezing on you. He's not sneezing on you.
And the stuff coming out the man nose, bro. What y'all talking about?
I don't
man?
feel
There's something
nothing.
over here.
He's not
That's crazy,
sneezing on
bro.
you. You tripping, bro.
You don't know what that man got. And I'm up in here, bro.
I don't know what you got. And you up in here, bro.
Okay. But he doing the symptoms. No joke, brother. Every time you're sneezing too much. You see that shit? I mean, you see that, bro?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I felt it.
D.
I felt it, bro. Hey, you gotta stop. Hey, close your nose.
I came positive.
Huh?
I came back positive.
You came back what?
Positive.
How you know? That called
My
you?
mama just called me.
Oh shit, she was just on the phone.
Hey, D. No. Hey, brother.
Hey, stop, bro. Ugh.
Come on, bro.
Oh hell no.
I'm telling my wife.
Nah, yeah.
Hey, brother. No.
Hey, here. Put the hand. Put the hand sanitizer on.
No, man, no. I ain't talking about that. I'm talking
Hey,
about this.
fool,
Cause he
get out
constantly
my-
sneezing, bro. Something
I
wrong.
know. Get out the car, fool.
You want me to get out?
Yeah, man,
So
something,
get
bro.
home.
Oh, mean one.
Man, I don't know, fool. Bro, you sneezing like crazy.
How I'ma get home?
Huh?
How I'ma get home?
I don't know, bro. You gonna.
No, man, I can't have this around me, D. Knock your back
Yeah,
down,
get
brother.
Ugh.
Hey, D, I'm for real, bro.
I ain't never seen nobody sneeze like that. Here, get some of this. Get some of this.
No,
Rub
man.
it on your face too.
Can I get some too?
Now you gotta give me
Nah,
a
man,
body
you
here,
good, bro.
bro.
Stay back there. Stay back there. For real, bro. Chill. Hey. Damn, dog, bro. This shit
No, he
crazy.
coughing too much, brother, D.
I know.
You ain't noticed
Bro,
that?
no.
I just want some German.
Stay back there, bro.
No, he
Man, you better put
he's
something on
there,
your face, man. Is you crazy? Put something on your neck. He's sneezing on you. Like, man, you better put something on.
Man, no, you gonna get me up out of here around here.
Dude, I'm trying to help you. Okay,
No,
well,
you need to take him.
okay, I'm finna
help
take you to the house.
him. No, wait. You need to help him.
I can't help him. I ain't no doctor.
Well, who is mama is?
I don't know. What's your mama name?
Kiki.
But you didn't notice your sneezing, brother?
She just called and told me.
Oh, that was your mama calling you then?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hell no, man. Come on, Jay, get me home, brother. I ain't
Okay.
playing.
I'm trying to help
See,
you.
that shit started coming, bro.
All right.
Damn, bro.
I'll take you to the house.
God damn. I'm talking about, man. Come on, man. What you waiting on, D?
Stop rushing me.
I can't be around no dangerous stuff. I've been
Can I
ahead.
borrow your towel? My nose running.
Man, bro, he wiped that towel for his sweat. You don't want that. Oh my gosh, Chris. Ugh. I can't stand this shit right now.
Hey, man.
I ain't never seen nobody sneeze like that. It was funny at first, but goddamn, Chris, you sneezing too much for me now.
It ain't my fault.
That ain't good to be around that, brother. And at your house either, man.
They keep pushing my days back.
Now I'm talking about all that sneezing.
Oh, goddamn! Sneezing here, goddamn.
Man, that's fucked up, FD. I mean, I asked you, brother, you ain't been no
I mean,
doctor.
like, damn, Chris, you don't know how to close your nose when you sneeze?
No, I'm talking about your mama ain't took you.
I told you, my mom been trying to take me. It's just they keep pushing my days back. Because they keep saying they fool.
Oh my gosh, bro, that is crazy.
Well, what kind of doctor you got, I don't know, bro. Shit, you can be connected with that stuff, bro. Hey, hell no, man.
Chris, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Brother. No. I'm for real, man. Get me out of here, man. Man, hell no, man. Stop right here, brother.
Okay. Granddad, it's
No, brother.
Granddad, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Oh shit.
Come on, man. I know you ain't got me again. There y'all, nigga.
That's water. That's water.
Come on, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Not again. No, you didn't.
I'm sorry. But
I'm for real, nigga. Got me spitting.
shit.
I don't like nobody
Oh
spitting.
my god, that was funny.
How the fuck you get me? I ain't slow, but burning that.
I know you not.
I be trying to watch your man. Come on, man. Don't tell me you got me like
Oh
this,
my
bro.
gosh, this is.
I done spit all on my towel for this. And you nigga. Come on, man.
Oh my
Hell no.
God.
I am getting up. Man, come on.